Tara Waters and Ben Heidegger arrived at NNU from very different backgrounds. Ben came after a difficult semester at another college, seeking a place to heal and rebuild his faith and sense of purpose. Tara, a Nampa native, had grown up deeply connected to the NNU community through family, church, and local events. At NNU, Ben quickly stepped into leadership, serving in student government association roles including Community Relations Coordinator and Campus Ministries Coordinator. These weren't just titles. He planned a campus-wide community service day, created events raising awareness about justice issues, and brought dynamic, thoughtful speakers to chapel and timeout. Tara served as a resident assistant in Dooley Hall and was known for her quiet but intentional encouragement and support. Together, they cultivated relationships and made lasting contributions to campus life. Both invested in service beyond the classroom. Ben joined the PALS Club, building friendships with students with special needs in the Nampa School District. Tara often assisted with SGA projects, wrote letters of encouragement to classmates, and offered behind-the-scenes help wherever needed. After graduation, the Heideggers entered full-time ministry, serving 5 years as youth pastors before 2 years on the mission field. One in rural Mexico learning Spanish, and another in the Dominican Republic with Niños de la Luz, rescuing boys from the streets and giving them a safe place to grow up in Christ's love. Most recently, they led Westside Compassionate Ministries, known as the Yellow House, in Medford, Oregon, a safe haven for children from low-income, mostly Hispanic families. Their ministry prioritizes quality over quantity, ensuring every child feels seen, heard, and loved. They also homeschool their 2 children, Judah and Hannah, teaching them by example what it means to serve their neighbors. For their commendable accomplishments in their chosen field and for living out the values of NNU in all areas of their lives, NNU is pleased to present Tara and Ben Heidegger with the 2025 Leon Doane Young Alumni Award.